What's up guys, Odyssey cubing here, and today we have an unboxing from thecubicle.us. So I'm going to do a wee bit of a monologue here while I'm opening this package. I ordered this package, I believe, on Thursday, and today is Monday, and it's here. So this package came very, very, very quickly. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. So what I ordered is the SpeedStack's G4 bundle with the WCA mat. So pulling stuff out, here's the bag. This is actually a bigger bag than I thought it would be, so that's nice. Looks like it only has one handle. Okay, well yeah, the one handle thing's a little bit disappointing because like this is the bottom part, but oh well. I'll put this to the side. Moving on, cubicle receipt. Here's the timer itself. And the mat, and I believe that is everything. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the mat. Okay, so let's roll it out. Looks very nice. It's a little wider than I thought it would be and less like lengthwise. So that's kind of nice actually. Here, let me get it centered. There we go. Very nice. I can't zoom out any more than I already am on my camera. So that's a little disappointing. So I can't get it all in frame, but I will try my very best. And then going to the actual timer here. All right, sleek. Here is our instruction manual, which I already know how to use this because I use friends sometimes at competitions. So I'll just put this on screen if you want to know how it works. That's how it works. Okay, that's enough of that. And oh yeah, we get to do the pull tab. All right, here we go. Very nice. Okay, let me throw that away. And the test, well, there's the sort of sliding mechanism, so it stays on there. And the test is, does it turn on? It turns on, yay. Okay, so if you don't know how these things work, you put your hands down and you wait until the green light shows up like that. And then you take off your hands, you put them back down again to stop. And then you hit the reset button because if you can't start a new time if you don't reset the old time. So anyway, yeah, and that helps you pick up the cube. So this is very nice. The curved surface is very nice. You can kind of see that there on how that's a little curved. Here, let me unhook it here. Even the display is a little curved, so you can see that there. Yeah, so this is very nice, and if you don't know, here's where it says G4. That is where it hooks on to here, and you can put it on the side like that and slide it in so it's on this middle part is lined up like that, and you can like pick it up and it won't fall off and all that. So I'm gonna get a cube and I'm gonna try to solve on this. Alright, so my setup is not the greatest at all right now for trying to do a solve with this. We'll go ahead and try it, and no guarantees on if it'll be a good solve or not, because I'm having to look around my camera to see the cube. Okay, 12.934. It does have the thousandths decimal place, which is nice. And I kind of like this curved display better than, say, the Pro Timer, because where it's flat, you kind of have to like lean over to look at it more, as this, it seems like it's kind of elevating towards you to see the time better. Now also what this can do, if you didn't know, is you can save some of your times on here. So you can hit this button and there it says time 1, and then hit it again, time 2, time 3, and it just cycles through those times. So you can save those times if you want. I probably won't utilize that feature, but I know some people will. So like if you actually do use this for cup stacking, then that would be useful to save some of your stacking bests, but I probably won't use this. So yeah, overall I am very happy with this. I do recommend you go pick one up if you have something like a QJ timer or a Yuxin timer or anything, because this is obviously much nicer and this is going to last for a very, very long time, because I'm going to make sure I take good care of this thing. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like, comment down below what video you want to see next, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for some more awesome content like this. This is Odyssey Cubing signing off, and as always guys, happy cubing.